Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this one, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can join the Dawnguard faction in Skyrim. But before I do, let me apologize for actually using screenshots. I'm doing this to save both space and time on uploading these videos, so you'll have to bear with me. But let's get right into it. First of all, I think the level requirement to actually join the Dawnguard is level 10. After you reach level 10, the guards in cities will be talking about the Dawnguard faction trying to be rebuilt, and on certain occasions at night you can see when you enter a city or when you're near city gates, vampire thralls will come into the city and attack the guards, and they will be quickly slain. But after you do, you can talk to a guard and he will direct you in the way of Fort Dawnguard, which is to the east of Riften. Once you get that option, once you get that quest marker, you can then go to Fort Dawnguard, where you want to talk to Isran, which is this guy that you see here. He is the de facto leader of the newborn Dawnguard. And look, if this isn't obvious enough, you do need the Dawnguard DLC to actually join them. So keep that in mind and make sure it's installed if you're playing vanilla Skyrim. If you're not playing vanilla, most likely you have it installed. It's from Legendary Edition and onwards. It's integral to the game. But yeah, just go to him and talk to him, and he will give you the option of joining the Dawnguard. I don't know if you'll officially be part of it before the quest to find the Elder Scroll and Serana or not. Anyway, you'll have to first go to the court of the vampires in Volkiar, which Serana will take you to, but afterwards you can choose to stay with the Dawnguard, and you will officially be part of the Dawnguard. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.